Bisco sour nakakalasing. Dahil malamig, mag-ice cream tayo. Wala silang kakalat-kalat dito. Nakakahiya. Nakakahiya itapon yung kalat ko. ¿Qué es este lugar, señor?
Centro Histórico de Lima. Historic Center of Lima.
Historic Center of Lima.
Capital of el Virreinato de España hace años. Long time ago, we used to call it City of Kings.
Ah, this is the City of Kings? Ciudad.
We have the palace, we have the cathedral.
Here. Oh. Calle de Villalta. Yeah, I know. We're here in you can find the jacket. That's a lot of names. May dun sa bundok ko. Sa bundok. Again?
Conquistadors.
What's that?
These balconies are from the time of the Spaniard conquistadors.
Conquistador?
The balconies.
A lot of souvenirs here if you want to buy. Maybe it's cheaper here. No?
We are closer to. Oh, where is it over there?
So you can see that.
Look over there.
Daming tao. Daming tao. Tirik ang araw pero
Cathedral.
Cathedral. Ang tirak ng araw pero ang lamig. Palace of what? This is Peruvian Palace now. This is the biggest cathedral. This is the biggest cathedral here. Para sa turista dito ang sarili niyang bayan.
Bueno, con ella vamos a recorrer el tren. Oye. Claro, nada de tan complicado acá. No piensen mal. Estamos hablando de un...
dogs. Dalmatians.
Canchita caliente dulce combinada cualquiera un sol. Canchita caliente dulce combinada cualquiera un sol. Canchita caliente dulce combinada cualquiera un sol. Canchita caliente dulce combinada cualquiera un sol.
What's this river? What's this river?
Rio Rimac.
Huh?
Rimac.
Rimac River?
And you have to take a...
My cross doon and the flag of Lima. Where's my finger? There. I feel safe because there are a lot of policemen here. See, I'm not afraid here.
Here is like Tapada.
What's that?
Women
Memorias.
used to dress like that in Lima back in the 1940s, 30s.
This one.
They used to cover their faces.
Like a Muslim.
Yeah, but there wasn't because they tell her to do it. They want to do it because they want to, because it's a way to flirt with men. Las tapadas.
Las tapadas.
Yes. They used to dress like that.
Souvenir here. Can buy souvenir here. Ito yung bumili ng souvenir dito. Magkano tong laman nila? Ng presyo.
Orquesta. ¡Otra vez, otra vez!
Haba ng linya para sa churros. Churros, whatever. Ito yung pinakamasarap na churro. Or churros. Haba ng pila.
Big line for churros.
Yes. Ice cream tayo ngayong panahon ng winter. I want the Delicia.
One more?
One.
What?
Sour. Ice cream na nakakalasing.
Delicia.
Delicia. Uno? Dos.
¿Ese pico sabor tiene alcohol?
Oh, sí. Oh. Gracias. Gracias. So you have small ice cream. Pisco sour for you.
You want to taste?
Pisco sour. Oh. I'm drunk. Pisco sour nakakalasing. Dahil malamig, mag-ice cream tayo. One. It's not cold.
Huh?
It's not cold.
Really?
I mean, the weather is not... It's winter, so we have to have ice cream.
Sure.
Okay. Salud! Kahit napakaraming tao, walang kalat. Ang linis nila, oh. Wala kang kalat na makikita, wey. What? Walang kalat. What? Wala silang kakalat-kalat dito. Kahit napakaraming tao. Mostrazo. Ayan. Walang kalat ako makita. Nakakahiya. Nakakahiya itapon yung kalat ko. Wala.